My name is Aubrey Stone, founder of Lani & Stone. Lani & Stone is a name I came up with in 2022 whenever we opened. Lani means heaven or heavenly in Hawaiian, which is my favorite place. And stone is an element of the earth, so it's heaven and earth. We are located in Tulsa, Oklahoma on Route 66, and we recently moved into a larger space, which allowed us to become a certified green salon. Because believe it or not, recycling takes a lot of work and a lot of space. Since March, we have had the opportunity to keep 275 pounds of waste out of landfills. 95% of what comes in and out of the doors here gets taken to a recycling center of some sort. With Green Circle, they pick up all of our color tubes, any kind of can, metal, aluminum, hair. So every time you get a haircut and it hits the floor, that gets shipped off, and also color waste. So instead of putting that down into the landfills, we actually send it off and it powers these recycling facilities. And it all comes back to our purpose. We build confidence, we elevate artists, and we lead with kindness. So with Lani & Stone, meaning heaven and earth, we are able to create beauty sustainably and give back to this beautiful world that gives us so much. Green Circle has 16,000 waste warriors, with Lani & Stone being one of them. In 2025 alone, they kept 1.1 million pounds of waste out of landfills. What's really neat about these recycling centers is the aluminum, for instance. They ship the aluminum off to these facilities and they melt it down to make really cool things like bike frames. The hair that hits the floor from your haircut made into buoys, these giant buoys in the ocean that will soak up oil spills. They use it in sod farms for composting. And then the color, instead of it going into the waterway, they actually use leftover color to be the energy source for these facilities. We've partnered with Eminence, which is our skincare line. They're completely organic. They do regenerative farming. They have facilities all over the world. And for every retail product sold, they plant a tree. So since March, we have been able to plant 121 trees with the help of all of our clients and their purchases. We try to make decisions that are sustainable within this business while loving and caring on our clients. We partnered with Kerastase, which is the #1 luxury company in the world, and all of the packaging is made out of recycled glass and plastic. Outside of what Green Circle comes and picks up that we ship off, every Friday go to the local recycling center and they're full carloads. Cardboard, plastic bottles, disposable items, rubber gloves, wax strips, bamboo sticks, paper, plastic, glass. Everything except for a disposable cup or straws, things like that you can't recycle. But it's incredible the amount of waste that comes in and out of one hair salon, not to mention every other business out there. So if we can even just make a little bit of an impact on this world, that's what we're gonna do.